What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the apps freezing randomly issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open and close the defective app. So if our app in your phone is not working properly and randomly closes, then open and close the app. So like this, first open the app, then click on recent key and then close the app. So do it 2 to 3 times and after that the app will start working properly. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon here to restart your phone. So restarting your phone can fix small software glitches and it will definitely fix the app's freezing issue. Now after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. So to reset your mobile settings, open settings, scroll down and here click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern and then again click on this reset option here to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. So after doing this, the app's freezing issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.